Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero To Millionaire. Today we're back to Revolut because Revolut prepared for us new quiz, a quiz connected with near cryptocurrency, and we can earn a little bit this cryptocurrency. How to go to this quiz? Log into your account, go to tab Crypto, next push button near on section Learn. And now we can begin this lesson, Intro to Near, read information about it, and we start quiz. What is Near protocol? Answer: a proof of stake layer 1 blockchain. What is purpose of nightshade sharing in Near's blockchain? To enhance stability and efficiency in transaction processing. And that's all. Lesson number 1 is done, and we can go to lesson number 2. Blockchain operating system. What is blockchain operating system? An operating system designed specifically for Web3. What's the main purpose of the BOS in their Near protocol ecosystem? To allow developers to easily build and distribute decentralized apps. What types of application can be founded on the BOS? Social media apps, loyalty programs, NFT marketplace, and more. And we push button submit to finish our quiz. And like we see so far, I earned on all courses 1950 Polish zloty. You should see your earnings so far in your currency, so this will be a little bit different. If you want to see how to answer for the previous quiz, go to the channel and you can find there all video with all quiz and answers. And of course, you can go to my blog. On my blog post in top menu, you'll find a link where I put all answers in one post. If you have any question, put this question below this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.